Hello YouTube, this is a short video about washing machines. This is a bill with a diagnosis of what faults needing to be repaired. And this is the machine, Fisher & Paykel Smart Drive. And this is a Fisher & Paykel Smart Drive repair manual, which you can download online. Just Google it. The secret is to enter the diagnostic mode, which is done by pressing wash temp down and power. Wash temp down and power on. Okay, this is diagnostic mode. These machines are good because they actually tell you what's wrong with themselves. The rest is pretty much up to you. It will tell you what's wrong, but you've got to do the repair. It's usually something simple. Further diagnosis is done by, it will tell you what's wrong by pressing the advance button once and then the spin speed up button 3 times. Advance button once, spin speed up 3 times. Advance button 1, 2, 3. And there is no fault because I fixed it. But basically, what usually happens, or what happens when I found all of this stuff out, is that the wash cycle buttons light up, and each button is worth a certain amount of points, and you add up these points, and they, in this particular case it was 37, which is a fault number. So you refer to your diagnostic fault finding Fisher & Paykel manual, and it will take you from there. It will tell you what's wrong, what 37 means, and how to fix it. That's pretty much it, really. I mean, it's easy to find these the book. So these people are trying to rob you, basically, and I don't want to see anybody get robbed. And I'm sure you don't want to be robbed. Just the proof of the pudding is this bill, which diagnoses 2 valves to be replaced, and the yellow module, which is a whole computer module, to be replaced. Total price was $140 for the valves, 2, and the module yellow, which is the entire computer of the system, $180 replaced. That's just for the parts. Okay, total price was something like $490 for a repair. After diagnosing this machine myself, the only thing that was wrong with it was a blocked pump. Okay, pretty much. That's what the washing machine told me. Hey, my pump's blocked. So I found the pump, which is not hard to do. It's underneath. Cleaned it out. A bit of lint got stuck in there, and bang, we were away again. Everything was fine. No $490 layout. We're back online. Basically, the world is trying to rip you off, people, and that's not right. Anyway, we'll edit this and see how we go. Bye-bye.